maging bahagi bilang lokal na pamahalaan. Kaya on behalf of the people of Manila, sa inyo, sa DNR, sa organization na dito, maraming salamat po sa pagmamalasakit ninyo sa aming minamahal na lungsod ng Maynila. Mag-iingat po kayo, at nawa ay bigyan kayo at patuloy kayong bigyan ng Panginoon Diyos na malusog na pangangatawan. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat po, Manila! God first. Thank you.
Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin si City Mayor Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Alright, moving forward to our program this morning, leading this nationwide effort is the Department of Environment and Natural Resources under the guidance of a leader whose vision continues to strengthen environmental protection, biodiversity conservation, and sustainable development. To deliver this year's Philippine Arbor Day message, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm and resounding round of applause to DNR Secretary, Attorney Juan Miguel T. Cuna.
Please take your seats. Isang mga kalikasang umaga po sa ating lahat. Please allow me to acknowledge some of our guests lang dito. Alam mo, dating politiko din ako eh. Unang-una po, pinagmamalaki namin, my former colleague, the Mayor of the City of Manila, na pinagmamalaki naming lahat. I was fortunate enough to witness his State of the City address last night dito po sa Quirino Grandstand, and talaga pong in just 1 year, marami na pong nangyari dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. Mayor Francisco Isko Domagoso, maraming salamat, Mayor, for coming this morning. Alam ko, biglang nagkaroon ng activity si FL pero nandito ka pa rin. Of course, nakita ko po lumaki itong kaibigan natin, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. My DNR family, all the officials, di ko na po isa-isahin. Lahat po ng mga department heads who are here from the City of Manila, the different organizations nandito po na nakikiisa po sa atin. You know, Philippine Arbor Day is I'd like to acknowledge our Miss Universe Philippines who is here, Bea. Thank you very much for joining us. Itong Arbor Day po ay sineselebrate po natin yearly since 2003. Ito po ay isang observation ng tree planting and forest protection throughout the country. So today, we're celebrating, nagkaroon po ng simultaneous planting throughout the country, 1,600 plus local government units to plant over 4 million trees. So napakalaking bagay po nito, and we're very thankful for the participation we've gotten even from the local chief executives of other areas. Nagpapasalamat po kami. Gaya po ng sabi ni Mayor kanina, when you have a place full of trees, lalo na po itong mga highly urbanized areas like the City of Manila, nakakatulong po sa in flood prevention, having cleaner air. So yung climate change po, natutugunan itong pagtatanim po natin. And we're very thankful na ang participation po, this year lalo na po, we got commitments from all over the country. Kaya alam po namin over 4 million plus trees were planted today. So hindi na po papakahaba, we'll go to our next part of the program, yung planting po natin. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming today, lahat ng grupo. Pati po, my own DNR family, lahat ng mga opisina, lahat ng ibang tanggapan ay represented po dito, and we're very grateful. Salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat to DNR Secretary Attorney Juan Miguel T. Cuna. Palakpakan po muli natin si Secretary Cuna. At this point, ngayong araw pinagmamalaki nating maging bahagi ng libo-libong environmental stewards sa buong bansa na nagkaisa para sa isang layunin, ang magtanim ng pag-asa at magtaguyod ng isang luntiang bukas. At this point, I would like to invite DNR Secretary and Mayor, together with other DNR and LGU officials, to please proceed to our planting site areas for the tree growing activity.
Masdan mo ang paligid mo, yan ang bumubuo ng pagkatao. Nais mong magbago ang mundo, handa ka bang maging
Bago tayo magtapos, huwag kalimutang i-share ang inyong mga photos and videos mula sa ating programa dito sa Manila ngayong umaga. Ipakita natin sa social media na ang bawat punong ating itinanim ngayon ay simbolo ng ating sama-samang pagkilos para sa isang mas nagtitang kinabukasan. Don't forget, we have our official page named Department of Environment and Natural Resources. And here's the official hashtag for today, hashtag Arbor Day 2026 and Arbor Day DNR, your people with us. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at support sa mga
Nanay tayo ng dalawa. Okay na. Nanay. Sir, ito kay April pa, sir. Sir, atras tayo, ma'am. Atras pa tayo. Ay, ito pa na. Sir, dito pa. Kaya kami sa likod kanina eh.
Okay na, bubuhatin namin.
Ay po. Aray, atras ka, atras. Ano ka siya?
Kaya nakita ka sa tree. Oo nga, pwede sa tupad. Kaya-kaya. Okay, thank you boys and girls.